So we do have a landfalling hurricane right now, right around Padre Island. It's an unpopulated area of the coastline in Texas, but still lots of gusty winds there and squalls in the Corpus Christi. It's pretty much making landfall right as we speak. 90-mile-per-hour winds. It's only 6 miles per hour off of a Category 2 storm. So this thing really, at the last minute, got its act together. You can see the eye right there, too, clearly visible. The forecast does have a weakening, of course, once it hits land, and this will dissipate by tomorrow night, and that will be done. We will be -1. We're already -1 here. This mess is Gonzalo, and it dissipated today as it moved through the islands. 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts reported, but really it's just an open circulation now and just a tropical wave. So Gonzalo is history. It has dissipated, and that will be it for that one. So then all eyes are on the next one here. This is Invest 92. Hurricane Center bumped it up to a 70% chance to develop in the long term. Probably not the next day or so, but 2 to 3 days down the road, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, that's when it should get its act together here, and the potential for this to develop will be there. Right now, it's pretty disorganized, but it is pretty large, a very large moisture envelope with that and wind field. So we'll keep an eye on this for sure. The first run of the spaghetti models here have it going pretty much west-northwest towards the islands, and then going right around the big Bermuda High. The European not posted on here, but it's a little bit farther south. Puts it into the Big Island Hispaniola and pretty much shreds it there. So there's a lot of variation to what this can do, and we don't even have a center yet, so this could be anywhere. So we'll keep an eye on it here. These are the current weather conditions that will keep pushing it to the east. Now the next name on the list, it's kind of a tough one. Isaias is the next one on the list there, and we've gone through quite a bit here already, and we're not even out of July. So, all right, so closer to home here, this is an upper level low that's actually right here, so this is the backside of the upper level low. That heavy stuff will stay offshore, but we will see a little moisture surge tomorrow, and that will up rain chances then. Here's one storm moving through Basinger up the Kissimmee River. Elsewhere, we're looking at this complex here. This may clip Vero here in maybe a half an hour or so. So we'll keep these rain chances in the forecast. The onshore wind's still going, so some wave action on the beaches there. I think that will drop off by late tomorrow. I think rain chances increase overnight. We could have some heavy downpours out there. And then tomorrow, some morning rain and rumbles of thunder. A little bit of a break in the afternoon. Then we'll bring back rain chances here by the end of the day. As more moisture moves into the area, you can see all this tropical moisture on us will boost our rain chances some. Then lower the rain chances after that going in the next week. It looks a little quieter for us. Small craft caution out there for the boaters, still a little choppy, and the beachgoers. The rip current threat is up, and the seaweed is ridiculous out there. It's very thick coming on in. Those prolonged onshore winds here to blame for that. Highs in the low 90s once we get out of this rainy pattern.